I made it on Magic. It was pretty uneventful. Kind of a mess right now. We're doing laundry. I'm just going to take you along for my laundry adventures. We made it to our destination, the laundry room. So, if you've never done laundry on a Carnival ship, or any cruise ship for that matter, you're getting the grand tour. Enjoying the ship, very beautiful ship. I'm here in the atrium lobby.
Sail away, come aboard this digital oasis. Cruise ship tours and reviews, they're taking us places. Port guides, destinations, is your excursion too. Cruising addicts, they're the ones making our dreams come true.
So made it to Magic and got on here about, it was around 1 o'clock or so. Our boarding time was 11:30 to 12. We took our time when we got off of Independence of the Seas and went back to our vehicle and kind of repacked our bags and gathered some items that we needed for the second cruise. Little look, I am doing a tour of this cabin. It's a J cabin. It's obstructed ocean view. I really like it. A quick look. It's got a window facing out the over the bow, and there's an observation area that you can go out on. Nice sitting area here. Very large vanity / desk area. Very nice. Lots of storage space. Really big cabin. A lot of space. A little bit bigger than the cabin we stayed in on Independence, so we got a little bit of room to stretch out. The sofa's super comfortable. I've already sat in it. I'm going to be sitting in it in a lot. But I'm going to walk outside and I'll show you what it looks like from the observation area. So let's walk out there now. Couple of doors to go through. So it's a little bit of a stormy day here in Miami. I'm about to do a live stream. When you cruise back-to-back cruises, you end up having to do laundry, unfortunately. It's the facts of life. But so just ignore the mess. I know we haven't been in here long. We're gonna head to the laundry. Oh, we got a 7 p.m. reservation at Cucina del Capitano, which I really love. It's a great restaurant. It's really good. So if you haven't tried it, I've reviewed it, and it is wonderful. One of my favorite Carnival dining venues. I do like Fahrenheit 555 too. GT Asian, it's okay. You know, their free lunch is actually, I think, better than the premium dinner, which is ironic. A lot of people out and about. We're underway. It looks like from the weather over the horizon, it's going to clear up. I'm just going to take you along for my laundry adventures. So I have to come up here to deck 7. I really like the look of this ship. This is a little bit of a look of the atrium. They do have the ship decorated in Halloween decor, so that's pretty cool. I love coming on ships during the holidays. I really like the design of the ship.
Oh, that's the laundry room.
We made it to our destination, the laundry room. So, if you've never done laundry on a Carnival ship, or any cruise ship for that matter, you're getting the grand tour. This is what Mom doesn't want to be in the video, but this is what cruise ship laundry looks like. $2 for soap. That's not really that bad, I guess, with inflation like it is. And you got several washers and dryers. They're $3.50 a load. Looks like our load is done. So I'm gonna stop here and take care of my laundry. So that's what a cruise ship laundry looks like if you've never done laundry on one. That's the first time I've done laundry on one. So it means I'm moving up in the world. I'm doing long enough cruise adventures that I have to do laundry. I refuse to pack more than one suitcase. So if I did a month-long cruise, I'd be doing laundry probably at least twice, not 3 times. I really like the vibe of the ship. I like the decor. It does feel, I don't think the ship is that old, but it feels like an older ship. And I'm okay with that because I kind of like the retro. This is going to be a fun ship tour for me. I can feel it. I don't know, I didn't really have a good experience with Independence. Like, I don't know, I never felt comfortable on that ship. I don't know why. And I was telling my mom that I'm so glad that we're boarding a Carnival ship. And that's so weird for me to say because I don't really feel like I'm that loyal to Carnival. But it did feel good. And I will tell you this, I can guarantee you that my stateroom attendant is going to use my name every time he sees me. I can guarantee you that. That didn't happen on Independence of the Seas, not once. You know, I don't want to be judgmental to Royal, but after getting off a Royal ship and then getting on this ship, it reminded me of how good the staff on Carnival ships are. And they're really good. For what you're paying, the service you get on a Carnival ship is excellent. You would think I'm a spokesperson for them, but I really am not. Yeah. I want to make sure I'm in the right room. Key's not working. There we go. Yeah, but I'm not a spokesperson for them, but I do like their cruise line. And I like, you know, what they represent as far as service levels. Got on the ship yesterday. Everything went well. Enjoying the ship. Very beautiful ship. I'm here in the atrium lobby. So it's early October, and of course Halloween is coming up, so the ship is decorated for Halloween. And all the activities on the ship are Halloween themed. Pretty cool ship. I really am enjoying walking around this ship and exploring it. I'm on deck 4, and on deck 4 you have the Pixels studio all the way around the atrium lobby. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, or like 8 till 5, and nobody's up. It's just me. So this will be the end of our first vlog, but we really so far are enjoying the ship and everything the ship has to offer. It seems to be a great crew here on this particular Carnival ship. And I really like the vibe and the decor of this ship. I'm going to walk around. I don't want to disturb other people that are actually in the lobby. Also to give you a chance to see more of the ship. I really like the layout of this ship. It's kind of like a mini Vista. It's the thoughts that I get when I walk around it. It feels like the layout's very similar to Vista. Of course, this is pre-Vista class ships. So I think these were built before them, and you can kind of see where they transitioned, you know, from that to this. But let me flip the camera around so you can see what the atrium lobby looks like. I'm not a fan of green, but this ship really does green well, and there's a lot of it. The elevators on this ship are great. Just the forward elevators alone, there is 10 elevators. So we're going to be visiting Dominican tomorrow, Amber Cove. We're doing a off-road, like dune buggy tour of the island. We will be taking you along with us, so you get to see all the excitement there. And then the following day, we're going to be stopping in San Juan. We're going to be doing a tour of the Bacardi factory. And then we're off to, I want to say, St. Thomas and St. Martin. And we have excursions booked for both of those islands. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So tune in for those. Hope you all are having a great day. If you like the content that we put out, hit that thumbs up button, liking our video, and subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content. Also, don't forget to check out our website, cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing.